Hey guys, this is Tina. I'm just wanting to come in because I just got my Illustrated Faith packet, the newest kit, and I am super excited about it. Trying to remember the name of it. Obviously it's right here. When Love Finds You. It's a new Bible journaling kit, and I will link below. It's www.illustratedfaith.com, and Shauna Knowles, she's the one who created the website, and she's the one who does these kits with other team members. It's pretty awesome. So super excited. I love this little camera, and I think this ephemera is in the camera thing. There's also some online only page imprints, so you'll be able to get those online, and then you can print those out. This one is actually, this kit itself is made by Don Kelly. So here's a little sticker similar to the one on the packet. And then this one is I am yours and you are mine. I'm assuming for Valentine's Day. It's a little postcard there. And then compassionate collage. And then some more collagey stuff. And then heart and soul. So these are some stamps. And then heart and found stickers. So these are fun. These are a little bit more than just like they're cardstock. But not like the chipboard, but they're just cardstock. Those are pretty colors. I love the colors. And then this is the devotional kit that usually the kit comes with. Oh, it feels so smooth and really cool. So this is Don Kelly, and then she has a little thing there, a little dedication to it. And then this is the devotional book. This is really cool. And I'm actually going to create a little traveler's notebook. I found a whole bunch of these at the dollar store. Let me pull those out for you. Found these at the dollar store, and these are really cute. Actually, the $1.25 store now. The Dollar Tree. And it just has these little notebooks in here, 2 little notebooks, and it's got the elastics and the little band around it. So what I ended up doing is, me and my creativeness, because I can't let it just be, is I went further and did some more stuff. So I created one of these little folders for it, and it has a little area you can put it in, and another little area pocket there, and then I just re-sewed the actual cover journal, made some pockets and some little bookmarks, so these just go right over that page. So I'll be using one of these little books so that I can keep track and write, because it doesn't look like there's writing areas in this devotional little place. Or I'll be using my Bible and journaling in there as well. But most likely, since it has all of these little things, I can create one of my notebooks. Open this. I love this little baggie. So I don't think these are stickers. I think these are just postcards kind of styles. Oh, it looks like it would peel off. That's fun. That's really cute. So they're just Polaroids. That one has, I'm trying to get away from that glare. That one has like a little heart there. All of those kind of seem like it. Some more hearts. Oh. I bet they had fun either making these pictures or finding these pictures online. And then compassion collage. Oh, I ruined that. I ripped it. Maybe love known. May your love be known, sorry. When love finds you. Oh, now I have that song in my head. When love finds you. These are so fun. I love the colors that she chooses. Love finds me. These are why I like these little kits, because they all match and they're all colored, coordinated. Be all right. Another little birdie told me. Oh, it's a little radio. I was like, what is this? Talking to Jesus, speak to me, open my eyes, help me to see you. He makes all things new, align my heart, still small voice. Interrupt my thoughts, help me listen, worship, higher love, confirmations. I don't know what that is, what that says. I wanted amen, amen, A-M. I see it. So sorry, guys. So sorry. And then breathe. Oh, this is cute. This goes inside of your like little, well, it doesn't have to, but it looks like it goes inside one of those calendars. And then to this, I printed these. They're supposed to all be on, I saw extras of these, it looks like. I was supposed to print them on the sticker paper, but some of them got away from me. I didn't realize how many pages there actually was. So I can have duplicates of these. So there's a little radio again. I like that one. And then some other cutouts that I have from this. And these are from that print and play. So this one is on sticker paper as well, the worship, pursuers. So I think it's gonna be the title, Pursuer, Interrupt, because there's one in here for interrupt, heart. Yeah, those are the titles, worship. And then there's supposed to be certain ways, I guess. But there's these little things as well. So sweet. Super excited. Thanks for joining me for my awesome unboxing. Super excited to get going and see where this takes me. Have a great day, guys.